Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. Pink color, sky blue color, dark green color, violet color, black color, brown color, purple color, orange color, yellow color, dark blue color, red color, light green color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, L, Q, Z, B, M, O, W, C, K, T, X, D, H, N, S, E, J, R, Y, F, I, U, V, G, P, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.